Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motor Madness. Please like, share and subscribe. The 2025 Nissan Navara is here, and it's packing a blend of rugged durability and modern tech that makes it one of the most exciting pickups of the year. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse or an adventure-ready truck, the new Navara promises to deliver. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see what makes it stand out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Navara gets a bold, aggressive look with a redesigned front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more muscular stance. The truck maintains its tough appeal with high ground clearance, prominent fender flares, and skid plates for off-road protection. The updated LED taillights add a modern touch, while the sculpted bodywork enhances aerodynamics. Depending on the trim level, you'll find different wheel options, ranging from 17-inch steel wheels on the base model to stylish 20-inch alloys on the higher-end trims. Nissan also offers an off-road focused Pro 4X variant with blacked-out details, all-terrain tires, and a rugged roof rack to emphasize its adventurous nature. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 Navara is more refined than ever. Nissan has upgraded the materials, introducing soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery on higher trims, and a redesigned dashboard. The infotainment system now features a larger 12-inch touchscreen with Nissan's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays for navigation, performance stats, and driver assistance features. Comfort has also improved, with better noise insulation and redesigned seats that offer more support for long drives. Rear passengers get improved legroom, and higher trims include ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system from Bose. Practicality remains a key focus, with plenty of storage compartments and USB-C ports for charging multiple devices. Under the hood, the 2025 Navara comes with multiple engine options. The base model gets a 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine producing around 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, delivering solid efficiency and towing capability. There's also a 3.0-liter V6 diesel option, pushing out 250 horsepower and significantly improving performance. For petrol lovers, Nissan offers a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 210 horsepower. All models come with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed automatic transmission, depending on your preference. The Pro 4X variant includes an upgraded suspension system, electronic locking rear differential, and terrain modes for superior off-road performance. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms and an upgraded four-wheel drive system, the Navara is built to handle both work and play. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Nissan Navara remains competitive. The base model starts at around $35,000, offering great value for those needing a reliable pickup. Mid-range trims with more features and advanced safety tech range between $40,000 and $48,000. The top-of-the-line Pro 4X variant, with all its off-road enhancements, sits at approximately $55,000. These prices may vary depending on the market, optional packages, and local taxes, but overall, Nissan has kept the Navara well positioned against rivals like the Toyota Hilux and Ford Ranger. So, is the 2025 Nissan Navara the right truck for you? If you're after a tough, capable pickup with modern tech, improved comfort, and serious off-road abilities, it's definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Navara. Would you choose this over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more car reviews right here on Motor Madness. See you in the next video.